If you do business online, you should think about income diversification. It is above all a safety net if one of your activities encounters a problem, but it can also be a lever for another activity. And that's why today I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram. Instagram has established itself as a business platform for influencers and brands. If you have a well-established community, there is no limit to the income potential you can generate. However, you must first become an influencer in your niche to make money on Instagram. On average, and to generate additional acceptable income, you can start earning from your Instagram account once you have built a minimum base of 5,000 followers. You can sell Instagram accounts on social media, see opinions here, but before you get there, you can also act as a micro-influencer, because it is a growing trend. And a few hundred followers are enough. You can follow followers on Instagram for free and passively without doing anything, just keep your computer open. Here. 7 social media exchange platforms, including Instagram or Facebook. For followers you can find them here. Summary: work at home. 1. Create posts. Sponsored work from home. 2. Sell affiliate products. Work from home. 3. Sell your products. Work from home. 4. Open a store or drop shipping. Work from home. 5. Make reviews of paid products. Work from home. 6. Join the Amazon Influencer Work from Home program. 7. Make money selling Instagram accounts. Earn money. Work at home. 8. Sell models and photos. Work at home. 9. On Instagram through applications. Work at home. 10. Offer a paid service bonus. Tips 2. Increase your Instagram followers. Conclusion: work at home. 1. Making sponsored posts on Instagram. If you have a good number of followers, brands will contact you on their own for a sponsored post. It is an organic publication that promotes the company and its products. For this to be effective, you need to know your target audience and their desires or needs to provide a product or service that satisfies them. Be careful not to lose your credibility by accepting product or brand associations only for money, but not for the benefit of your audience. According to Adweek, the average price of a sponsored post is around €300, depending on the number of followers or skills. Influencers with over 100,000 followers can earn around $800 per sponsored post. However, if you have 1,000 followers or less, you can still earn about $100 per post. Work at home. 2. Selling products. Instagram. Selling affiliate products is probably the easiest thing to start with, but it is not the thing that will pay the most in the beginning. The principle is to insert affiliate links or promotional codes in the description of your publications, not all, to sell the products of others and to earn a commission. Many brands and companies offer affiliate programs. The most famous program is from Amazon. By becoming an Amazon partner, you can create short links with your ID to a product on the market. When you place this link in your post and someone buys from Amazon after clicking on it, you earn commission. Work at home. 3. Sell your products. Use Instagram with your online store. You can also sell your products to your audience, instead of selling your products to others. You will still need a fairly large audience if you really want to make a living, but once you get enough followers, you can use Instagram as an advertising channel for your products. You don't need to have physical products. Instagram is also very useful for providing digital products, ebooks, video courses, etc. Work at home. 4. Open a store or drop shipping with Instagram. This is the next logical step if you want to sell unaffiliated products. According to marketing studies, 30% of Instagram users buy products they discover on the platform. If you have an online store with Shopify or WooCommerce, you can promote it on Instagram. Whether you sell from stock or drop shipping, nothing changes. You can offer your products directly to your audience. However, in addition to an Instagram page, I strongly recommend that you also have a professional Facebook page linked to your professional account of Instagram. You can set up Instagram shopping by creating a Facebook catalog and then adding shopping tags to your Instagram posts. Work at home. 5. Pay for product reviews by checking paid reviews on Instagram. You can easily earn new products on your Instagram page. Again, you need to have a certain audience for this to have an impact and for the brands to detect it. For your reviews, you will need to take great quality photos and write compelling stories to highlight the quality, benefits, and use of the product. If you want to get started with paid reviews, consider the following tips. Only deal with products that match your niche and target audience. Be authentic in the comments, especially without hypocrisy. Be very careful. If your followers think you recommend anything and everything for money, you could face waves of abandonment. Work at home. 6. Become an Instagram marketing consultant. This requires a good understanding of how Instagram works and how to market on this platform. If you are a social media professional, be aware that hundreds of companies are looking for people to help them grow their online presence. The easiest way to start is to offer your services as a freelancer on Fiverr for €5. After completing several projects and building a portfolio, you can start contacting companies to offer your services. For a large company, the average salary for a social media marketing consultant ranges from $40,000 to $60,000 per year. Work at home. 7. See win with Instagram account. Sell account. Buy and sell. Anything can be bought and sold. And Instagram accounts are no exception. In fact, it is possible to make a real business buying and selling Instagram accounts. Or you can make your Instagram account with many followers and then sell it. Instagram accounts are traded between €150 and €1,000. There are platforms that deal with this. The idea is to buy a specialized Instagram account in a niche with a small number of followers, because they are targeted and have more value. Then it's up to you to develop it, attract new subscribers and develop it. So when it is well developed, you put it back on sale at a higher price. You can resell it for 3 to 4 times the purchase price, especially if you are in a promising niche. Work at home. 8. Sell your photos on Instagram. If you are a photographer or know how to take beautiful photos, Instagram is the best platform to view your photos, drawings, and digital creations. If you combine this with selling photos on specialized websites, you can take advantage of your passion. And as the saying goes, find a job you enjoy and you'll never work in your life. Work at home. 9. See make money with applications. Similarly, develop applications for Instagram. Instagram for users, professionals, and enthusiasts. Use various applications to manage your business on Instagram. If you're a developer, you can create an Instagram app and sell it to make money. App Square Icon is a tool that gives Instagram users advanced statistics about their profile, such as the total number of likes received, average likes and comments on the photo, most photo likes, followers growth charts, and so on. Olapic, this is a special marketing application for influencers, which can get content depending on the geographical location, language, and specific locations of your followers. Repost allows you to repost images from other accounts. PostSo, an application for post scheduling. Work at home. 10. Offer a payment service. Become an online coach on Instagram. Obviously you need to have skills or resources to offer as a paid service. You also need to have a large Instagram tracking base and stand out as an authority in your niche. Offer your skills as an independent platform if you are a designer, photographer, songwriter, etc. In this case, you can provide your services by including a link in your biography that directs users to your site to find your services. Mention your experience, skills, and contact in the biography and mention that you are free. I recommend that you offer your services at reduced rates from the beginning when you build a portfolio. Sell your competition with training sessions. This is probably the most profitable offer on Instagram. Are you a player in a certain field? Does the stock market, real estate, fitness, or health no longer hold secrets for you? So become a coach and train others by giving them your lessons and knowledge. This will only take some time. The best bet is to offer subscription packages to make sure your money is reduced every month. Bonus, tips to increase your number of followers on Instagram. Work at home. 1. Quality. There is no secret. If you want to be a reference in your area and create a strong fan base, you need to create quality content. The quality should be in photos and videos both aesthetically, but your posts should be relevant to your niche and audience. This is the only way to develop a real community around you, and it will give you more legitimacy when you start monetizing your Instagram. Work at home to exchange with your audience. It is not enough to publish photos and content, you need to generate interaction with the audience that follows you. Take time each day to participate. Comments. Answer each of the comments you receive. Answering each question that involves you builds relationships and a trust factor and helps you reach new people and better understand your audience's expectations. Work at home. 3. Regular position. Regular posting will help you reach more people. And this will prevent your audience from having to wait a while. In fact, all of your followers will rarely be online when you post new content. By increasing the number of posts, you can be in constant contact with your fans and be discovered by new people. How often you post will depend on your business goals and how much time you can spend marketing on Instagram. Consistency is important. It's okay not to post more than once a day, but it's important to be consistent. Do not post once a day for a month, then do not post for 2 weeks. It is better to distribute everything and keep them regularly. Work at home. 4. Connect with other influences. To promote and increase your audience coverage, you can connect with and collaborate with other influencers in your niche. You can appear in a colleague's video to cross-promote, take photos together to post, sponsor a brand in a single post, and more. You can also organize a contest or launch a challenge that will rotate among all the influencers in your niche, ensuring maximum coverage. Conclusion. Instead of running and trying all of the above methods in the hopes of making money faster, I would recommend starting with the simplest. Sign up to get started or use Instagram to promote your dropshipping business. Create stories that redirect to in-store or market records. Then, as your community grows, you can offer paid services or consulting services, and brands will contact you for a sponsored article, product review, or collaboration.